Bart Jasmine is representing our third startup, FinSuite. FinSuite has developed a solution that reduces the cost and time required to analyze business structures and financials on known applications. The Australian-based company has sold over 5,500 software licenses during its 4.5 years of operation and counts 3 of the 4 major Australian banks as customers. Now let's welcome Bart Jasmine.
You're right, James, that was half my presentation as well. Good morning. My name's Bart Jasmine, and I'm the founder and CEO of FinSuite. We're a company made up of ex-bankers. We're 4.5 years old, and we're based out of Melbourne, Australia. We're self-funded, cash flow positive, and we've also earned some industry recognition along the way. We have a proven ability to sell to banks. In the past 4.5 years, we've sold 5,500 licenses of software, and most of them have been to large banks. We're quite proud to count 3 of the 4 major banks in Australia as our customers. Our software reduces operational cost and creates operational efficiency. We have 2 product lines. The first is Group, which is a suite of applications that automates the production of a corporate relationship diagram. And the second is Biz Analyzer, which automates the analysis of company financial statements. With the help of Accenture, we've had a great time on the FinTech program. We've also learnt some lessons along the way. The first lesson we learnt is that we have a pretty good product in Biz Analyzer. We've established multiple proof of concepts. We've become an approved vendor for 2 banks, and we're currently negotiating our first paid contract. We have a broad banking background, which means we understand bank processes and bank drivers, and I think that's evident in the speed of our execution. It's a bit slow. The second lesson we learned is that integration will help us to scale a lot faster. Today's banks typically use a tool provided by Moody's or SunGard to analyze customer financials. These tools require the user to key all the financial information from a document in manually into these tools. The key benefit that Biz Analyzer provides is that it's able to automatically extract that information from the PDF document, saving time and saving cost. During the program, using the fantastic facilities here at Cyberport, we were able to continue doing our work, and we were able to integrate Biz Analyzer with the Moody's tool. Moody's has a customer base of over 1,500 banks globally, and now we can target our solution as an integrated product. The final lesson we learned, and perhaps the most valuable, prior to FinTech, we built a lot of product lines that focused on one area of the bank, business banking. The key lesson we learned through the exceptional mentorship provided by Bank of America and also Bank of China, and with our discussions with HSBC and DBS, is that we should, being a small company, reduce our product lines, but focus on lines that have broad application across the bank. We identified many processes where different variants of Biz Analyzer could be used to automate those processes. And we're currently discussing an agreement that would allow us to establish the functionality and requirements required for those processes, for those different variants of Biz Analyzer. So, to summarize, we're going to reduce our focus on multiple product lines down to 1, being Biz Analyzer. We're going to continue to integrate our product with other software vendors to allow us to scale a lot more rapidly. And we're going to create different variants of Biz Analyzer so that we have broad banking application. We came into FinTech thinking we don't need funding. We're self-funded, we're cash flow positive, we're profitable. The reality is the time for us to scale is now, and if we're going to do that properly, we need some funding. We're seeking investment to build up our development team, to create a project management team and a sales team. And in the future, we hope to open up small satellite sales offices in key countries where our largest opportunities exist. We've got a detailed investor pack available for anyone that's interested. Ladies and gentlemen, in the last 4.5 years, we've built 8 products, sold over 5,500 licenses to 3 of the top 50 banks in the world, and we've done this with just a few people. Imagine what we could do with a few more. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Bart. Please be seated.